Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Coding Together. My name is Vikas Oja. Today we will see another lead code problem, that is rotate array. It's a very popular question, as you can see from the likes, and it's a medium level question. Let's read the problem statement. So given an integer array nums, we have to rotate the array to the right by k steps, where k is a non-negative. Now let's see an example to better understand the rotation of the array. So we are given with an array that is 1 2 3 4 5 6. We have to rotate it 3 times. So we'll pick the last element from the array and we'll place at the start, and rest of the elements will shift one index right. So in the step 1, we'll pick 7, we'll place at the start, and the rest of the elements will shift one right. Now in the step 2, we'll pick 7, in the step 2 we'll pick 6, place at the start, and rest of the elements like 7 will go on the second position, 1 will go on the third position, and so on. Similarly, in the last step, we'll pick 5 and place at the start, and this will be the final array. So let's see how we can solve this problem. So I've taken an example 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and we have to rotate it 3 times. So what we will do, we'll divide this array into 2 sub arrays, one with elements equal to the size, that is k, so and second the rest of the elements. So for this example, as k is equal to 3, so one sub array will contain 3 elements, last 3 elements, that is 5 6 7, and rest of the elements will be in the first sub array. Now so the 2 sub arrays are 1 2 3 4 and 5 6 7. Now we will reverse these 2 sub arrays independently. So when we reverse the first sub array, it will be 4 3 2 1, and we reverse the second sub array, it will be 7 6 5, right? And we'll combine these 2 sub arrays, then it will become 4 3 2 1 7 6 5, right? And then we will reverse again. We will reverse again this array, combined array, that is 5 6 7 1 2 3 4, and this is the final result of rotation of the array 3 times. So there is one edge case. Suppose the size of the array is smaller than the k, right? So suppose the size of this array is 2 and the times we have to rotate it is 3. So if we rotate it first time, 2 will come at the first and 1 will go in the second position. Now again in the second iteration, 1 will come at the first and 2 will go in the second, and the third iteration 2 will come and 1 will go at the last. If we can observe the first rotation and the last rotation, the third rotation is same, right? So instead of rotating k times when the size of the array is smaller, we can do k remainder operator nums dot length, right? So it means when the size of the array is smaller than the k, so the k times rotation is equal to the rotation k remainder operator nums dot length times. So for this example, we have to rotate it k equal to 3 times, and if we do k remainder operator nums dot length, that is 2, i.e. 3 remainder operator 2 is equal to 1. So the result after first rotation and result after 3 rotations, it's same. So let's see the code part for it. So I've written the code in the Java language. So I've created a class solution and a method rotate that takes it the input nums and times we have to rotate as k. First we will do the k modulo nums dot length. We can change k to k modulo nums dot length. Now these 3 methods, first reverses the first part of the array that we splitted, right? So we splitted the array into 2 parts, one with the array containing the elements as size k equal to 3, and the rest of the elements. Now we are reversing the same two subarrays, and finally we are reversing the complete array. So as we have k equal to 3, so the first subarray will be from 0 to nums dot length. So nums dot length is 7 minus 3 minus 1, so that will be from 0 to 3. 0 1 2 3 4 5 6, so 0 to 3 the first subarray, and the next subarray will be nums dot length minus k. So nums dot length is 7 minus 3, that is 4, to nums dot length minus 1, that is 6. That is from 4 to 6. Now we will combine these two, that is from 0 to 6, the complete subarray. That is what we are doing in these three statements. First we are reversing the first subarray, the second subarray, and the complete array from 0 to nums dot length minus 1. In the reverse method, we are taking the nums array, the left pointer and the right pointer. First we are checking if the nums dot length is greater than 1, then only we are performing the swap of the elements, or the reversing of the elements. Now till the left is smaller than equal to right, we are swapping the elements at the left and the right position, and we are decrementing our right pointer and incrementing the left pointer. So let's run this program. So yeah, the test cases are passing, so it means the solution is working fine. So let's see the time complexity of it. So as we are running only one loop, that is this while loop, right? So the worst case this while loop can run up to is big O of n, where n is the nums dot length. As we are not using any auxiliary space, so that space complexity will be big O of 1. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you like this video, please share and subscribe. It will keep me motivated to bring more such concepts of data structure and algorithm in and more Leetcode videos in front of you. Thank you guys. Bye.